In 1865, a rail bridge near Staplehurst was under repair. Workers had removed a section of track but forgot to signal ahead. Dickens's train came speeding toward the gap at 50 miles an hour. The first 7 carriages plunged into the river below, but his didn't. It dangled over the edge, with Dickens pulling survivors from wreckage. He comforted the dying, even using his brandy bottle as medicine, but he never fully recovered from the trauma of that day. He died exactly 5 years later, to the day of the crash.